Here it is. If you're going to build yourself an Ikea kitchen, you probably should get yourself a pozi-driv screwdriver and the associated driver bits, because all of their screws and related hardware are pozi-driv. And that's really the whole point of this video, so if that's all you care about, you could click away now. In fact, I should probably check my analytics because I'm really curious as to how many people really do click away. So it's February 2019 right now, mid-February. So if it's like, mid-April 2019, check the comments. And if nobody said anything, drop me a reminder that I should go check my Google Analytics to see how many people actually did click away. Right then, now with that little digression out of the way, I'm just about finished with all the cabinets in our custom Ikea kitchen. I built this in two halves. I built the first half of the kitchen using a regular Phillips drive screwdriver and a bit to assemble the cabinets. And then I took, a little bit of a break. And during that break, I ordered for myself an actual pozi-driv bit and an actual pozi-driv screwdriver. I was mostly just curious to see if it would make a noticeable difference, so I thought I'd give it a try. So I then used that bit and screwdriver while assembling all the cabinets for this side of the kitchen. And yes, it makes a noticeable difference. The bit really locks into the screw and holds it well. I mean, sure, a Robertson would be better, but I know that's not going to happen. So, they're not mandatory. You can do the job with the Phillips, but these just worked a lot better, which is why I recommend it. And yeah, it wasn't that much to buy one. Here are the two that I bought. This is a Wera screwdriver and a Wera driver bit. It mostly looks like a Phillips bit, but when you look closely, you can see the extra teeth, for lack of a better word, that there are. One thing to keep in mind is that you definitely want a long driver bit and not a short stubby one. This tip is 89 millimeters long, which is about 3.5 inches. You want the longer bit because the drawer hardware has some really tight spaces that you need to fit the bit into. Trust me, it will just make life a lot easier if you get the long driver bit. Two thumbs up. Another tip to make life easier is that you really want to magnetize it. If you're fortunate, you'll find one that's already magnetized. Mine wasn't, but it's so easy to do. It takes like 15-20 seconds to just take the tip and run it several times over a magnet, and then it will be magnetized. Well, magnetized enough. It's not going to really lock it in, but it'll give you enough to pick up the screw and keep it in place when you're using it. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Just a quick tool tip. People are always curious about the tools that you're using, so I hope somebody found this interesting and enjoyable, and we'll see you on the next one.